Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making a very different and very delicious dish called peanut curry. You can eat this dish during fasting. If you are fasting, then too you can eat it. So let's have the ingredient, very simple ingredient. Roasted peanut, curd, sugar, cumin seed, chopped green chili, ginger, rock salt, curry leaf and coriander leaf. So in a blender, add roasted peanut, add green chili chopped, add some ginger, grind it. Now add 150 grams of curd, grind it again till you find smooth paste. Now add water and blend it. So our batter is ready. Now in a pan, add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, add half a teaspoon of cumin seed, add chopped green chili as per your taste, add 8 to 10 curry leaf, mix it well. Now add the batter. Stir continuously for 1 minute. Now let it boil. Add rock salt or sena namak. Stir continuously and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes till you find the consistency of curry. Now add half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well. Now you can see we have find the consistency of curry. So what we have to do? Just to garnish it with coriander leaf. And your very different, very tasty peanut curry is ready. Thank you.